For the given parametric interval, graph the parametric equation. X equals to t squared and y equals to 3t. This time the interval is from -1 to 1 all inclusive. So I'll start from -3 and try to cover all whole numbers between that interval, -1, 0, 1. And this time we connect them or just find 5 points. Connect them, right? It includes every t between -3 to 1. So -3 when x is t squared minus 2, so it is 3 squared 9 minus 2, 7, 4 minus 2, 2, -1, 1 minus 2 is -1, 0 is -2, 1 will be -1. Y was 3 times t, so -3 times 3 is -9, -2 times 3 is -6, -3, 0, and 3. Then let's plot it. Again, on the graph, you won't see t. You just graph x, comma, y. So 7 and -9. 2, comma, -6. 1, -1, comma, -3. -2, comma, 0. -1, comma, 3. So what kind of shape would it be? Yeah, it's a curve. What kind of curve? It's actually part of the parabola. Do you see it? So this is, you will say, when they ask you to describe the graph, you're going to say it's a parabola, opens, which way? Right, with, it's not continuous, right? They gave you the interval. So it is including these points, but we can call them endpoints, right? With endpoint. What? Where was this? -1, comma, 3. And this was 7, comma, -9. When they ask you to describe it, that's what you're going to say. Can it be linear? Yes. Can it be circle, ellipse, hyperbola, parabola? Yes. So you have to review what you guys did in what, geometry? Yes. So now, same parametric equation, but they changed the interval. So what would it change then? It will just go ahead and change the endpoints, right? Now it's from -2 to 3, x and y. So I'll go from -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. But we have most of the points already, right? So -2, we know it's 2, comma, -6. -1 is -1 and -3. 0, it's -2, 0. 1, it's -1 and 3. So I just need to find these 2 more, right? So 2, when you plug in 2 to your x, you get 2 squared. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. When you have 3, 3 squared is 9 minus 2 is 7. 3 times 3 is 9. So it's 2, -6. Your starting point. -1, 3. -1, -3. -2, 0. -1, 3. 2, 6. 7, 9. And less than or equal to, meaning we are including those 2 endpoints. So it is, again, a parabola opening, right, with endpoints. What was this? 7, comma, 9, and this was 2, comma, -6. 2 point -6, comma, -6, and 7, comma, 9.